So today we discuss the case study of nylon 6 gears during the power transmission systems. Okay, the power transmission with the plastic is becoming the more and more important. So we no need to the lubrication. It save the many of parts. No vibrations. We can replace this gear. Alternately, we can change, and the cost wise is very low. The power transmission with the plastic gears has become the more and more important, owing the some advantage of material comparisons to steel and other metals. A good solution to obtain the higher performance with the engineering plastics, nylon 6, carbon, glass fibers, aramid fiber materials. There are a lot of gears are available in different materials. The possibly coupled with other additives such as MOS, PTFE gears like other mechanical parts can also manufacture with reinforced plastics. Improved the mechanical characteristics are translated into impossible torque. But filler must properly selected owing to the fact that the secondary effect of wear can reduce and improvement in the higher mechanical resistance. The test procedure is a follow-up the one described more detailed previous papers. In a back-to-back rig, the two gears just as the transmit the desired power, which is obtained by looping the desired torque in the rig and rotating the shaft at a desired revolution speed. The other two gears close the rig. Table 1 showing the test performance. The module face with number of teeth, number of surface, the test conditions, pinions revolving the speeds. The piston one time the velocity with 39 still the pistons with Z 40 pitches of pinion. The result and discussion. The failure mode as a general rule in the test failure mode was a fatigue breakage due to the excessive tooth root stress. The fatigue crack originating from the root propagated either to the whole tooth with a typical breakage illustrated in figure number 4. The table number 5 shows the qualitative data concerning the wear for all the gear pinion combinations. Low and moderate or wear level if the present allow the power transmissions. High H and unacceptable are levels that it attain are not constant with the transmission of power. Combination of gear pinion material producing high or unacceptable wear. Independent of a fatigue resistance of teeth, this can be also utilized rules for a first selection of pinion gear materials combinations. The whole diagrams, figure number 3 shows the collection of all diagrams obtained from the test. These are the presented in the form of torque or load per unit phase width versus the long number of cycles. The tested data can well approximated with a state in the C-log plan. The statistical significance of this fitting discussed in the appendix. Each point indicated the correct interpretations of the power transmission at the imposed torque that occurred number of cycles. Interpretation was produced by the tooth breakage. Sometimes the breakage occurred when the attained H are huge wells. After weakening of the plastic teeth. Comparative resistance, the table 6 show the data for evaluations for comparative fatigue resistance concerning all combination pinion material, gear material, lubrications. Mode performed in the test. For a better comparisons, corresponding histogram are presented in the figure number 4. For the reasons comparison, the value of torque C at n equal to 10 into 10 power 6 has been calculated from the equations. Log n equal to A plus B dot T, where the parameters A and B have been evaluated for each series of tests according to the previous graph. Design consideration and comparisons. Designing methods and rules for plastic gears are not established as standard for metal gears. As started in the previous work, comparison are very difficult. This is due to the fact the rating methods are not fully developed. and do not take all the parameters, pinion and gear material, pitch line velocity, gear quality and tolerance, lubrications, comparison method and temperatures of manufacturing tests. These are the graph for the PA6 and steel's oil 80 temperatures, PA6C, PA6C gear greasing, the level, is greasing PA6C steel, greasing PA6C, PA6C oil level 60 degree Celsius.